Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, WooCommerce and Salesforce. So the use case here is, whenever there is a new sale in WooCommerce, we want to create a contact in Salesforce. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So WooCommerce is a software application where you can set up your online store, whereas Salesforce is a CRM platform. Now the problem here is that WooCommerce and Salesforce don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect, a third-party application software, to integrate both these software applications. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google and now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly and now I will go to this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I will sign in from here. Okay, so now because I've already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I will scroll down and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and now I'm going to create a new workflow by clicking on this Create Workflow button. So I'll name the workflow as WooCommerce to Salesforce. Okay, I'll create it. Okay, so now here in this workflow, we are going to integrate WooCommerce and Salesforce using Pabbly Connect. So first I will integrate WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect and then I will integrate Salesforce with Pabbly Connect. So in Choose App, I am going to choose WooCommerce. Okay, now in Choose method, we want as soon as an order is created or a new sales occur, we want to create contact in Salesforce. So new order created is going to be our trigger method over here. This one, new order created is going to be our trigger method. So now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger? So let me explain you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when a new order is created in WooCommerce, we want to create contacts in Salesforce. So new order created in WooCommerce is going to be our trigger, whereas creating contacts in Salesforce will be our action. So when you click on Choose method, you can see that we had many other trigger methods available. Now you can select whichever you want according to your workflow need. Now here I am going to choose new order created according to my workflow. And if you don't get the trigger method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you to look for your specific trigger. So okay. Now coming down, you can see this term called webhook URL. So after selecting the app and selecting the method over here, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is WooCommerce over here. Okay, so now again you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called webhook? So let me explain you that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So now when you go down, you can see all these instructions are written over here. You can just follow these instructions and go and paste this webhook URL inside WooCommerce. So I'm going to copy the webhook URL. I'll go to my WooCommerce account. Okay, so I've already opened my WooCommerce account over here. So when you go to this home setting over here, you can see settings. So I'll click on it. Okay, so now here this advanced tab, so I'll click on it. Okay, so here you can see the webhooks and now I'm going to add webhook. Okay, so let us give a name to this webhook. So I'm going to give it as WooCommerce to Salesforce. Okay, status is going to be active. Topic is order created. This one. Delivery URL. So here you have to paste the webhook that you have got from Pabbly Connect. And now I'm going to save the webhook. I'll just save it again. Okay, so now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and now I'm going to capture the webhook response. So now we are waiting for webhook response. That means it is time to go and create a new order. So I'll go to this page over here. Okay, so now we are going to buy a Redmi 9. So I'll add it to cart. Okay, so now I will proceed to checkout. So now let me change the billing details. Okay, so I'll change the name. So the first name is going to be Ray, last name Johnson. Okay, company I'll just let it be same, address, okay, number, okay, I'll just change the email address, ray@pabbly.com. Okay, I'll just go down and I'm going to place the order. Okay, so you can see the order has been received. That means we have successfully placed the order for Ray and the product is Redmi 9. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and you can see we have also got the webhook response. Let's go down. Okay, first name is Ray, last name is Johnson. Okay, so now I'll go down and I'm going to save this. Okay. So now here we have finished our first step integration of WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. So now let's begin with the second step integration where we are going to integrate Salesforce and Pabbly Connect. So I'll click on this plus button from here. And here I am going to choose Salesforce. Here, choose method. Now according to our workflow, whenever a new order is created in WooCommerce, we want to create contact in Salesforce. That is why create contact is going to be our action method over here. Now you can see there are many other action methods available. You can select whichever you want according to your workflow. And if you don't get the action method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you to look for your specific action method. I'll select on create contact. Okay, so now I'm going to connect with Salesforce. Okay, connect with Salesforce. Okay, allow access. I'm going to allow it. You don't have to worry about your data. In Pabbly Connect, everything is 100% safe and secure. I'll just click on OK. Okay, so we have some empty fields over here. So now we are going to map the information that we have got from our webhook response and I'll fill it here. Okay, last name. Let us search for the last name. Johnson. First name is here. That is Ray. Salutation, Mr. Okay, all these things I don't want. Okay, I'll just come down and I'm going to fill the phone number, email. Okay. If you want, you can just enter the title, department and any other thing. Okay. So now I'm going to save and send test request. Okay, we have got the API response. That means we have finished our integration. So our integration will work fine now. So now I'm going to save this. Okay. So now let's go to Salesforce and see if a new contact called Ray Johnson is created or not. So I'll go to Salesforce. So now I'm going to go to contacts. You can see Johnson Ray Johnson is over here. If you click on it, you can get the other details as well. You can see the name is here, mobile is here, email is here. Okay, so now we have successfully integrated WooCommerce and Salesforce. Now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this process takes place in real time. So now I'm going to place one more order of Rolex watch. So I'm going to add to cart. Okay, proceed to checkout. Now let's enter new name of the customer. Stephen. Last name is Stevenson. Okay, I'll go down. I'll change the email. Stephen@pabbly.com. Okay. I'm going to place the order. Okay, so now thank you. Your order has been received. So we have successfully placed the order of Rolex watch. So now let's go to Salesforce and see if a new contact is created there or not. So I'll go to Salesforce. I'll click on contacts again. Okay, so you can see Stephen Stevenson is over here. If I click on his name, then I can get the other details as well. So here we have finished our integration of WooCommerce and Salesforce successfully. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll show you what has happened in our example. So I'll just minimize all this. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from WooCommerce to Pabbly Connect, and then from Pabbly Connect it came to Salesforce. So now every time a new order is created in WooCommerce, a contact will be added in Salesforce. So we have successfully integrated WooCommerce and Salesforce with the help of Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.